10:39 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for northern Okanagan County and northeastern Washington until 10:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across Douglas Mountain area west of Tonasket and north of Conconully. Radar has indication that 2 to 2.5 inches of rain has fallen, with more on the way due to stationary thunderstorms. The main threat areas will be along Wickham Creek and Soursoutkin Creek. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Okanagan, Washington,